Okay, so ground's all wet here. We got a sprinkler line that's probably busted. But the sprinklers, we don't use sprinklers here, so. Okay, so this is what we're doing. This is going to be the T coming off the copper right here. Got the hose bib. Then we're going to put a shut off, and then we're going to cap it. The reason we're doing it like that is because the owner said to just terminate the sprinklers for now. And this will allow the sprinklers to be piped in fairly easily in the near future if they so decide. So basically it's just gonna go right like this. So the water shut off is on the side here of unit 1, and we had a tenant years ago that was a crackhead that lived here, and he kept shutting off the water to everybody, and nobody could figure out where the shutoff was. And then we finally found it, and then I came here and let's see, what am I doing here? I came here and I took this off, and I don't think I ever put it back on right, so because I can't shut the water off until I fix it. Okay, I think it's off. Yeah, okay, it's off. All right, there you have it. Oops, that's a little bit. Now my OCD is satisfied, nice and straight. All right, no leaks.